and Rick Vlogs here again, and today I'm about to do a cooking video for you guys. I'm gonna do some barbecue chicken with rice and peas and pasta. Yes guys, so just stay tuned for this video and big up on yourself, continue to connect, continue to grow, continue to support each other. Yes guys, and you can do this. Yes guys, so just look out for my video, okay? Yes guys, this is when I was pre-seasoning my chicken for my baked chicken. So here guys, I already seasoned my chicken. I have some seasoning to blend it guys. I'm going to show it in the chicken. Now it is all ready to be put in the oven. So now I'm going to put it in the yes guys, I'm just placing them. I'm going to put it in the oven. Yes, give me that, put that pan right there for me please. Okay, this is my chicken that is already seasoning, so I'm just preparing my pan with some oil. Put some oil in it, so I'm going to put my chicken in now. Yes guys, now I'm adding it to the oven. So I already preheat the oven and now I'm adding it to the oven. So guys, I'm going to allow it to bake. Guys, you know I love my raw veg, but today I make pasta. So here's the pasta now boiling guys. Yes, I'm back. I'm about to make my pasta. I don't know how you guys make your pasta, but I make my pasta different. That's how I do it in my kitchen. So I'm going to use, here it is. So I'm going to use tomato, onion. I'm going to use my mayonnaise, and I'm going to add some sweet corn in it. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Guys, here is the chicken. I'm just checking on them, so I'm going to turn them over and put them back in. Guys, here is my coconut. Guys, unfortunately I got a cut. Guys, this knife is so sharp. So next time I have to be careful. Be careful. I got a cut guys. Yes, I just add the barbecue sauce. I have some secret ingredients, so I just mix it up and add it to it. So I'm going to add it to the next set and put it back in the oven for a couple more minutes. Nice and guys, we're back, and as you know I'm doing a cooking video. I just added my sauce to my chicken and it's in the oven and it's finishing up. You guys should smell the aroma in my kitchen guys. My barbecue chicken smells so good. So my rice is cooking right now guys. I'm making my gravy. I already made my pasta. So guys, you guys will see the finished look on this dinner that I'm making. Yes guys, so there you have it. Finished look. My barbecue chicken, rice and peas with pasta and some juice. Yes guys,